Welcome to Module 1 of the Introduction to Safety Management Systems course. This is the first of 5 modules that together form a comprehensive online program. In this module, we'll lay the groundwork by exploring what a safety management system is, why it matters, and what you'll learn across the full course. Take your time with this introductory material. It provides the foundation for everything that follows. Let's start with our learning objectives for this module. By the time you complete this introduction, you should be able to clearly define what a safety management system is and articulate its purpose. You'll understand the key benefits for small businesses specifically. You'll be able to explain both the legal obligations and the moral case for systematic safety management. You'll have a clear overview of all 5 course modules. And you'll understand how an SMS integrates with your broader business operations. It's not a standalone system, it's part of how you run your organization. So what exactly is a safety management system? An SMS is a structured framework, a set of policies, procedures, and practices that allows an organization to manage workplace health and safety risks in a systematic way. The key word here is systematic. It's not about ad hoc safety measures or reacting to incidents after they happen. An effective SMS has 3 characteristics. It's systematic, meaning it follows a structured and repeatable process. It's proactive, identifying and addressing risks before they lead to incidents, and it's integrated into your daily operations, not something that sits in a binder on a shelf. Think of it as the safety equivalent of your quality management or financial management systems. It's a business system that happens to focus on keeping people safe. An SMS serves 4 fundamental purposes. First and foremost, it protects people. The primary goal is to prevent workplace injuries, illnesses, and fatalities by identifying and controlling hazards before they cause harm. This is the moral imperative. Second, it helps you meet your legal obligations. Health and safety legislation requires employers to manage risks, and SMS gives you the framework to demonstrate compliance. Third, it reduces costs. Workplace incidents are expensive. Workers' compensation, downtime, potential fines. A well-functioning SMS reduces these significantly. And fourth, it drives continuous improvement. An SMS isn't static. It creates a cycle where you measure performance, review outcomes, and continuously improve. We'll explore each of these purposes in greater detail in the later modules. Now let's talk about why this matters specifically for small businesses. Some people think an SMS is only for large organizations, but the benefits are actually proportionally greater for smaller operations. Fewer incidents. A systematic approach catches risks that informal methods miss. In a small team, even one injury can have a major impact on productivity. Lower insurance costs. Insurers recognize formal safety systems and often offer better premium rates. Staff retention. Good safety practices show your team you value them, and that drives loyalty. Legal protection. If an incident does occur, documented safety processes demonstrate you exercise due diligence. And reputation. Increasingly, clients and partners want to work with businesses that take safety seriously. The key takeaway is that an SMS doesn't have to be complex to deliver real value. The SMS framework follows what's known as a plan-do-check-act cycle, a continuous improvement model. In the plan phase, you set your safety policy, identify hazards, assess risks, and establish clear objectives. In the do phase, you implement, assign roles, train staff, communicate expectations, and put controls in place. The check phase is about monitoring, measuring performance, conducting audits, investigating any incidents, and tracking outcomes against your objectives. And in the act phase, you review what's working and what isn't, identify improvements, and update the system. This is a cycle, not a one-time exercise. After act, you go back to plan with new insights. Each loop makes the system stronger. This framework will be explored in detail across modules 2 through 5. Here's how the full course is structured. You're currently in Module 1, the Introduction, which is highlighted. This module gives you the foundations. Module 2 covers the legislative requirements, the legal framework that obligates you to manage health and safety risks. Module 3 explores the key components of an effective SMS in detail. Module 4 is the Practical Development module, where you'll learn step by step how to build an SMS for a small operation. And Module 5 is your Assessment and Practical Activity, where you'll demonstrate your understanding and apply what you've learned. The total course takes approximately 2 hours, and because it's self-paced, You can pause and resume at any time. Each module builds on the previous one, so we recommend completing them in order. Let's recap what we've covered in this introductory module. An SMS is a structured framework for managing workplace health and safety risks systematically. It serves 4 key purposes: protecting people, meeting legal obligations, reducing costs, and driving continuous improvement. Small businesses benefit significantly. Even a simple SMS delivers real value. The framework follows a planned do, check, act cycle that gets stronger with each iteration. And the full course has 5 modules that build progressively from these foundations to practical application. When you're ready, move on to Module 2, where we'll dive into the legislative requirements that underpin workplace health and safety management. Well done on completing Module 1.